Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Casey and this is yet another what I eat in a week. And yes, I practice intuitive eating, which means I eat when I'm hungry, I stop when I'm full, and if I'm craving something sweet or savory or like a bagel, I give myself it because I am listening to my hunger cues and what my body craves and wants and everything. So that's what I do. And yeah, let's get started. Happy Monday. I started my morning off with iced coffee per usual. And then around 9 a.m. I had half of this donut that I got on Sunday night and it was delicious. I'm becoming a donut person. But around 12 I had my typical egg scramble with 2 eggs, vegan sausage, spinach, and I just used half of the vegan sausage this time. I sliced them up with the mushrooms. I let it saute first, and then I added the spinach and then the 2 eggs, and then I mix it all together, dress it up with everything but the bagel seasoning, balsamic glaze, and sriracha, and it was delicious. Around 2 p.m. I went on a very long stroll, and after I had myself a Celsius in Fuji apple, which is literally my favorite flavor. And after I drank some of that, I had some pineapple that was pre-cut, don't come at me, I am not that bougie, from Trader Joe's. And then I was very snacky around 4, so I had some of these onions pancake thingies that are stuffed with chives, shrimp, and glass noodles that my mom made. They are so good. Around 7, I had a protein shake for dinner with frozen berry blend, vanilla almond milk, half a banana, and a scoop of whey protein. And yes, I am using the magic bullet now because I moved out, therefore the Vitamix stays with my mom. So I just blended that up and then added some granola on top and ate that, and it was super yummy. I ended my Monday night by drinking some cold ones with my high school friends on my rooftop, and it was such a lovely time. Tuesday, I decided to have some avocado toast around 12 p.m. and I use keto bread. As you guys know, it's from Costco. It's elite. It's only 40 calories a slice and only 10 grams of carbs, which is amazing. And then I cut up this avocado and look how beautiful she is. She literally went to private school. Like, look at that greenery. It is truly immaculate. I season it with everything but the bagel seasoning and then red pepper flakes. And then I fried up 2 eggs for protein. You guys know the drill. And then I topped it off with red pepper flakes and then pickled onions and balsamic glaze, and delicious. Snack number 1 around 2 p.m. green grapes, and then I had the second onion pancake chive shrimp Chinese thing. And then my mother was an angel and dropped off some dim sum. Unpopular opinion, I don't really like dim sum, but I do like shrimp dumplings, so I ate some of that. I had half a Celsius before I went on my walk. And then, as you guys can see, the hills in San Francisco be activating the glutes. So there was my workout. After my walk, I finished up the rest of the dumplings my mom dropped off when I was on FaceTime with my roommate Kat, who's coming tomorrow as I'm recording this on Saturday night. But I just had the rest of those dumplings with sriracha, and that was Tuesday. Hump day! I need to stop doing that. But on Wednesday around 10 a.m. I made myself a goddamn omelet with spinach and vegan mozzarella cheese, and this mozzarella cheese from Trader Joe's melts so perfectly. I folded my omelet and then I topped her off with sriracha balsamic glaze and everything but the bagel seasoning. Around 2 p.m. I had one of these Premier protein shakes that has 30 grams of protein, and as a non-meat eater, that is very impressive to me. Daisy Keech drinks these and I had to try it, and honestly the banana flavor slaps. I love it. It tastes so good. It tastes like dessert. Go try it, guys. Trust me. Around 3 o'clock, I went to a coffee shop in North Beach with my cousin Linda. She makes YouTube videos as well. I'll link her below. But she made a yogurt cake and gave me a slice, and it was super good. Around 5 p.m., I decided to have this egg tofu thing as a snack. It's Chinese. It's basically tofu with some egg in it, and it's a great source of protein, and I just sliced it up. I fried it on each side for 5 to 7 minutes until it's like brown, and I do that plain with nothing on it. But when it's done frying, I top it off with everything but the bagel seasoning and red pepper flakes, and it is a great snack that is full of protein. For dinner, I had some salmon, mushrooms, and red onions that my mom actually dropped off. And I think it's because she misses me since I moved out a week ago. But also, my parents never really dropped anything off when I was living in New York for 3 years. So I think that was really sweet of her. And I just reheated that and ate it on top of a bed of arugula and brown rice. Then I had to end my night off with Netflix and chilled ice cream. Thursday morning, I wanted to be productive, so I did a little resistant band workout. Very minimal because I am still trying to get into a routine in my new place. But after that, I went on a nice little walk, and it was indeed very foggy in San Francisco. But I enjoyed strolling through all the old neighborhoods and looking at the glorious architecture of these buildings. It's really beautiful. But on my way back from my walk, I saw a bagel place and had to stop by because I have not had a real, it's not New York bagel, but a real bagel, and I just got an everything bagel with egg and cheese, and it was really good, and I added sriracha just for more flavor, but highly recommend. Around 2 p.m., me and my friend Ashlyn, you know her, we went on a stroll of the Embarcadero, and it was lovely. After our stroll in the Embarcadero, me and Ashlyn went to Trader Joe's and got so many snacks: blueberries, acai chocolate berries, chips and guac, all the good stuff, and we ate that on our drive to Bolina's Fairfax Ridge, which is in Marin County, and it is a beautiful trail and you get great views, and we went to catch the sunset, and it was truly the most beautiful, immaculate sunset I've ever seen. Carl, the fog was hanging low, and it was just so beautiful and scenic. I loved it. Happy Friday! I started my morning off at 10 a.m. with some yogurt, almond milk yogurt with banana, granola, blueberries, almond butter, literally all the toppings. And you know me, I like my yogurt loaded. So yeah, it was a very delicious breakfast and I enjoyed it because I haven't had yogurt in so long. Daddy gang. But as I was watching Alex's new vlog, I ate some dark chocolate covered power berries and they are so good. And then for early dinner, late lunch, I had a pre-packaged salad from Trader Joe's because I'm a lazy piece of shit. The salad was super good. It had falafel, cucumbers, pickled onions, tomatoes, kale, and this really good dressing, and I just ate that and it was delicious. Around 7, I got a major sweet craving, so I had some green tea ice cream from Trader Joe's and then Netflix and chilled, and I enjoyed myself. Around 7:30, I went on a walk, and then after I was hungry, so I made myself a slice of avocado toast with like the butt of the bread because it was the last piece, and I just used like a quarter of the avocado, everything but the bagel seasoning, red chili flakes, balsamic glaze, you guys know the whole shebang, and I ate that, and that is all I ate this week. And just a little reminder before I end the video, healthy does not have a cookie cutter image to it. Just eat foods that make you feel happy, make you feel energized, and just overall feel good about yourself. Food is fuel, and so often in today's society and social media, we feel so many pressures to look a certain way, to eat a certain way, and that overthinking of food and what we want to eat is just so draining, and life is so much more meaningful than just what foods we're gonna eat. And it's taken me such a long time to learn that, but I just want to let you guys know that being healthy and eating a certain way does not determine who you are as a whole. So just love yourself and enjoy life for what it is.